That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is you, it is me, it is NBWD, New Beginnings Window and Door, the Tri-State's premier window and door distributor. And we are back here with part 4 of our new showroom teaser. Where are we? We are not going to tell you just yet. It looks like we're in some dungeon, which is why I'm a little scared, which is why I did not come alone today. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. I brought with me
Steve Orefice, VP of Sales, New Beginnings Window and Door.
That's terrifying. But Steve, thank you for coming with us on our tour of our new showroom today. Why don't you tell everyone what's going on since we last saw them all?
Yeah, guys, this is our 4th video, so Dave's doing a great job of letting everybody into our warehouse. We promise it's not October yet, it's not Halloween, we're not in a scary dungeon, but we kind of are, and it's very cold where we're located. So right now, guys, we actually have awesome live displays being put into each office. So we've come a long way since day one. You're actually going to be able to see our product lines installed into the wall with interior, exterior trim on the window side, and even on the sliding patio door, front entry door systems that we're going to be able to showcase to you. So when you're shopping windows and doors, you can actually see the finished product.
Yes, it's an experience like no one's ever going to experience anywhere else. They're not going to get any better service. And so that is it for our teaser. We promise we're going to show you where we are really soon. We can't wait to bring it to you. We can't wait to get back in there where it's a lot warmer than where we are right here.
We're getting closer by the minute. We can't wait. It's double the square footage, so you guys are going to be very happy when you come and see us. And we're going to have water, coffee, snacks. Right, we're big snack people here at New Beginning, so it's going to be a nice warm welcome, just like our old showroom, but a lot more space, opportunity, get to meet the team and be part of the window and door team here at New Beginning. So
until that time comes when we get to give you the grand reveal, we here at New Beginnings Window and Door want to remind you to begin each day
with a beautiful view.
We will see you very soon.